Pinch the receiver firmly at its closest point to the aid and pull away. Push the new receiver into the same position. Confirm it is for the correct ear. Fit an ear tip on the new receiver by gripping the whole ear tip and push into place over the receiver end. If your hearing aid stops working and it's not the battery, then it's most likely the filter or the wax guard. Remove the ear tip from the ear wire. Insert the removal hook into the used wax guard. Pull the wax guard straight out. Turn the holder around so that the new wax guard is in position to be inserted. Insert the new wax guard into the opening of the sound outlet and pull out. Once changed, replace the ear tip. Use the nail grip to gently swing the battery drawer open and replace the battery. Do not press the drawer beyond the open position.